Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered about the distant worlds? Today we are diving into an interesting story of Pluto. Why was it reclassified as dwarf planet? What secrets does it hold? Join me as we explore the mysteries of this icy world together. Our adventure begins in the early 90s. Astronomers were puzzled by the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. They noticed these planets were not following their expected paths. This led to the hypothesis of an unseen object exerting gravitational influence, dubbed Planet X. Astronomers like Percival Lowell dedicated their lives to finding this mysterious planet. They believed it was hiding in the darkness of the outer solar system. Their quest ignited the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Fast forward to 1930. Clyde Tombaugh, a young determined astronomer at the Lowell Observatory, began his search. He utilized a technique called comparative astronomy, taking photographs of the same patch of sky over several nights. By carefully comparing these images, he could spot the movement of celestial objects. After months of meticulous work, Tombaugh finally discovered a small distant object on February 18, 1930. He had found Pluto. Following Tombaugh's discovery, the next crucial step was naming this newfound object. Pluto was suggested by an 11-year-old girl named Ventia Burnett, who thought it was perfect considering Pluto is the Roman god of the underworld. The name was accepted and it became official on March 24, 1930. This naming not only honored mythology but also captured public's imagination, allowing Pluto to become a beloved figure in our solar system. For decades, Pluto was cherished as the ninth planet in our solar system. At about 1,477 miles in diameter, it is smaller than our Moon, making it one of the tiniest known celestial bodies. Pluto's orbit is unique. Its path is highly elliptical, meaning it sometimes comes closer to Sun than Neptune. These peculiarities make Pluto a subject of great fascination and study, sparking debates about its status as a planet. As technology advanced, astronomers discovered the Kuiper Belt, a vast region beyond Neptune, filled with icy bodies and dwarf planets. This discovery changed everything. The Kuiper Belt is home to many objects similar to Pluto, including Eris and Haumea. It stretches about 30 to 55 astronomical units from the Sun. The existence of this belt raised questions about Pluto's classification, as it was no longer the only one of its kind. Pluto's classification as a planet came under scrutiny as astronomers continued to study the Kuiper Belt. Many objects in this region share Pluto's characteristics. This led to the need for a clear definition of what constitutes a planet. With new discoveries pouring in, scientists realized that Pluto was not alone. The question became, should Pluto still be considered a planet? In 2006, the International Astronomical Union established three criteria for a celestial body to be classified as a planet. First one, it must orbit the Sun. Second one, it must be spherical in shape due to its own gravity. Third one, it must have cleared its orbit of other debris. While Pluto meets the first two criteria, it fails to clear its orbit, sharing its space with other Kuiper Belt objects. Consequently, Pluto was reclassified a dwarf planet. Now, let's explore what a dwarf planet is. Dwarf planets are similar to regular planets, but do not dominate their orbital region. This means they share their space with other objects of similar size. Pluto is a prime example as it shares its orbit with numerous icy bodies in the Kuiper Belt. Other notable dwarf planets include Eris, Haumea, and Mycene, each with its own unique features and characteristics. Pluto is a treasure trove of unique features. One of its most recognizable characteristics is Tombaugh Regio, a large heart-shaped glacier primarily composed of nitrogen ice. The surface of Pluto is a mix of ice, rock, and frozen gases. Its composition includes nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide, contributing to its striking landscape. The varying colors on Pluto's surface hint at a complex geological history, suggesting past geological activity. Despite being so far from the Sun, Pluto has a thin atmosphere primarily composed of nitrogen with traces of methane and carbon monoxide. This atmosphere is not constant. It changes as Pluto orbits the Sun, expanding and contracting. As Pluto gets closer to the Sun, its atmosphere thickens, creating weather patterns and possibly even clouds. When it moves further away, the atmosphere freezes and falls to the surface, illustrating the dynamic nature of this distant world. Pluto has 5 known moons, with the largest being Charon. Charon is nearly half the size of Pluto, making their relationship unique in the solar system. Together they form a binary system orbiting a point in space outside of Pluto, creating a beautiful dance in the cosmos. The other 4 moons, named Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra, are much smaller and were discovered in the early 2000s. Each of these moons adds complexity to Pluto's story and highlights the intriguing dynamics of celestial body. Did you know Pluto may have a subsurface ocean? Scientists believe that beneath its icy crust there could be a salty ocean of liquid water. This ocean would be kept from freezing by heat produced from the radioactive decay in Pluto's core. The potential for a hidden ocean raises fascinating questions about the possibility of life beyond Earth. Could there be microbial life thriving in the depths of this distant world? In July 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft made history with its flyby of Pluto. This mission provided the first close-up images of Pluto, revealing its stunning landscapes, diverse terrain, and complex atmosphere. The data collected during the flyby changed our understanding of this distant world, uncovering secrets about its geology and climate. The mission was a monumental achievement in space exploration, igniting interest in the outer solar system. Let's take a moment for some fun facts. Did you know that a day on Pluto lasts about 153 hours? That's more than 6 Earth days. Pluto also has a very elliptical orbit, taking 248 Earth years to complete one trip around the Sun. It's so far from the Sun that its surface temperature can drop to around minus 375 degrees Fahrenheit. These fascinating details remind us of how different life could be on other planets. Pluto's story is far from over. Future missions to Kuiper Belt and beyond could provide even more insights into this icy world. Scientists are eager to explore more distant objects and learn how they relate to Pluto. The continued exploration of the outer solar system promises exciting discoveries that could reshape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Pluto's journey resonates with many, once considered a planet and now a dwarf planet. Its reclassification sparked debates about identity and belonging. Pluto's story serves as a reminder of how our understanding of the universe evolves. Just like us, Pluto has a unique identity, and its journey teaches us to embrace our differences. The emotional connection to this distant world brings us closer to the cosmos. Exploring Pluto and the outer solar system is crucial for understanding our place in the universe. Each discovery teaches us about the planetary formation, climate change, and the potential for life beyond Earth. It ignites the human spirit of exploration and innovation. As we look to the stars, let's remember the lessons we learned from our celestial bodies like Pluto, driving our curiosity to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos. Now it's your turn. What do you think about Pluto's classification? Should it be considered a planet again? Join the conversation in the comments below. Share your thoughts and let's discuss our favorite celestial bodies. Remember, the universe is vast and full of wonders waiting for us to explore. Pluto may be small, but its story is grand. From its discovery to the mysteries it holds beneath its icy surface, Pluto reminds us of the beauty of exploration and the importance of curiosity. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember the journey of Pluto and the wonders that await us in the universe.